In October of 1994, I was involved in a very serious motor vehicle crash. We were rear-ended and we were pushed into the oncoming traffic. It caused the passenger side of the vehicle that we were in to be T-boned by a large pickup truck, basically where my passenger was sitting. Unfortunately, he did not survive the crash. I can empathize with families that lose a loved one, and then I can also empathize with those that have been involved in a motor vehicle crash and suffer serious personal injury. Despite having been the victim of a clear liability crash, the insurance company wanted to treat my accident as if I was involved in a parking lot accident at some shopping mall. And it's probably the reason why I decided I wanted to go to law school and why I wanted to work in this area of the law so I could help people, because I went through it. I'm a fighter to begin with, and it's carried over into being a trial lawyer, and I like running through brick walls for my clients.
I had a motorcycle accident back in '09. I was broadsided, was doing about 45 miles an hour, flew 46 feet in the air after being ejected off the motorcycle and landed head first. I was forced into retirement due to my disability. Scott Smith came across his approach as somebody who understood where I was coming from. He understood what my needs and goals were. Scott was very aggressive in court, that he turned around and made people understand exactly what happened throughout the accident. Scott Smith will take care of you, and Scott Smith will make you feel at ease.
The biggest lesson I've learned in the more than 20 years of representing victims in personal injury matters is that their losses are real, that they're long-standing. I have to ensure that I protect my client's interest, not just short-term, but also long-term.
I was with a friend. We were going to go out for lunch, and while we were sitting there waiting for a dump truck to make a left-hand turn, we got blindsided. The next thing I remember, I was in an ambulance going to the hospital. A week after the accident, I couldn't even lift my head off the pillow. When I hired Scott Smith, he gave me options and professionalism. Scott told me not to worry about the insurance company aspect, just to get healthy. I would recommend Scott simply because he gets things accomplished. He's not afraid to go to bat for you. What he promises, he delivers.
Meeting with us will allow us to make the recovery that the law allows for you. I want to help people in the area of the law that I practice because I want to give them a voice.